Friends, imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, look in the mirror, and you look 10% better than yesterday. Your friends start saying, "Bro, what's changed? You look different." But here is a crazy thing. You did not spend money, you did not do anything extreme, you just follow 8 simple glow up tests in 24 hours. In today's video, I will show you how teenagers can change their appearance in just one day. But make sure you watch till the end because step number 6 is the biggest mistake 90% teenagers make. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a teenager and you want to look better, feel confident and upgrade your personality, this video is for you. The good news is you do not need expensive clothes, you do not need expensive skincare, you just need the right habits. So let's start last stuff for one day glow up transformation. Step number 1 is clean your face. Most teenagers ignore this. Your face collect oil, dust and sweat during the day. So the first thing you should do is wash your face with a face wash. Do this 2 times a day, morning, night. Clear skin instantly makes you look fresh and healthy. Small habit but big difference. Step number 2, fix your hair. Step number 2 is your hairstyle. Hair is one of the first things people notice. If your hair looks messy, your whole appearance looks messy. So in one day you can get a clean haircut or hairstyle your hair properly. Use a comb, use a little hair cream if needed. Trust me, sometimes the difference between average and attractive is just a hairstyle. Step number 3, wear better clothes. The step number 3 is your clothes. You do not need expensive brands, but your clothes should be clean, fit your body, not wrinkled. Even a simple t-shirt and jeans can look amazing if it fits well. Remember this rule. Fit is more important than price. Step number 4, improve your posture. Most teenagers make this mistake. They walk like this. Shoulder down, head down, and this make you look low confidence. Instead do this. Stand straight, shoulder back, head up. Immediately you look more confident and attractive. Body language changes everything. Step number 5, drink more water. Step number 5 is very simple. Drink more water. Water improves your skin, your energy, your focus. When your body is hydrated, your skin looks healthier and brighter. Most people spend money on skincare but forget the cheapest glow-up secret, water. Step number 6, grooming big mistakes. This is the where most teenagers fail. Grooming. You should always keep your nails clean, use perfume and extra. These small details make a huge difference. People notice grooming even if they do not say it. Step number 7, 10 minutes exercise. You do not need a gym. Just do 10 to 15 minutes exercise. Push-ups, stretching, walking. Exercise improves blood flow. And when the blood flow improves, your skin gets a natural glow. Plus you feel more confident. Step number 8, smile and confidence. Now the most powerful glow-up tip is confidence. You can have the best clothes, best hair, but if you look nervous, people notice. Instead, smile more, make eye contact, talk confidently, and confidence is a real glow-up. So these were 8 simple steps to change your appearance in one day. If you follow these habits daily, your look and confidence will improve a lot. Now I want to ask you something. Which step will you start today? Comment below, glow up, if you are ready for your transmission. transformation. And do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more self-improvement videos, and see you in the next video.